Meet eShift, a brand new feature coming to the Porsche Taycan. With the simple press of a button, this pure electric powerhouse transforms its single-speed characteristic into a simulated multi-gear experience. We aren't just talking about a sound effect. Porsche has calibrated the powertrain to deliver tactile power interruptions and sensory feedback. It gives you the exact sensation of a legendary dual-clutch PDK transmission. The digital tachometer maps out your power band perfectly across simulated ratios. It forces you to rethink everything you know about EV driving dynamics. Whether you're modulating drift angles in the sand, cruising the coast, or chasing lap times on the track, eShift brings back the mechanical rhythm of high-performance driving. 2 paddles, 8 gears. This isn't about making the car faster on paper. It's about putting soul, emotion, and true driver control back into the cockpit. Porsche proves that the electric future doesn't have to be numb. eShift is now in the Taycan. Would you turn this feature on, or stick to standard EV mode? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more supercar tech.